Welcome back to EduTube. If you've been following our series, you already know the basics of blockchain. But did you know there are different types of blockchains? Just like how we have different types of social networks, each serving a unique purpose, blockchains come in various forms too. In this video, we'll break down the four main types of blockchains: public, private, consortium, and hybrid. By the end, you'll know which type is suitable for what kind of application. So let's dive in. Public blockchain, imagine a public library. Anyone can go in, read books, and see what books others have borrowed. That's a public blockchain for you. Openness. Public blockchains are open to anyone. Bitcoin and Ethereum are prime examples. Anyone can join the network, make transactions, and participate in the consensus process. Security. They are highly secure due to their decentralized nature. The more participants, the harder it is for a single entity to take control. Transparency. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, which means anyone can see the transaction history. This transparency can be crucial for trust building. Example in daily life, think of it like Wikipedia. Anyone can edit, but everyone can see the changes and who made them. Let's dive a bit deeper into the technical aspects. In a public blockchain, the consensus algorithm is often proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS. These mechanisms ensure that all participants agree on the state of the blockchain, maintaining its integrity and security. However, this openness comes with a trade-off in scalability and speed due to the large number of participants involved. Public blockchains also encourage innovation and development. Many developers create decentralized applications, dApps, on platforms like Ethereum, leveraging the open and transparent nature of public blockchains. These dApps can serve various purposes, from financial services to gaming and social media, making blockchain technology more accessible and versatile. Private blockchain. Now, imagine a private library in a corporate office. Only employees can access it, and they need permission. Restricted access. Private blockchains are restricted to a specific group of participants. This could be an organization or a group of organizations with a common purpose. Control. The network is controlled by a central authority or a group, which decides who can join and participate. Efficiency. They are faster and more efficient as fewer nodes are involved in the consensus process. Example in daily life. Think of it like your company's intranet. Only employees have access, and it's used for internal communication and data sharing. In a private blockchain, consensus algorithms can be more lightweight since the participants are known and trusted entities. For example, practical Byzantine fault tolerance, PBFT, is commonly used in private blockchains to achieve faster transaction processing and higher throughput. Private blockchains are often employed in industries where data privacy and security are paramount. For instance, financial institutions use private blockchains to streamline transactions, reduce costs, and enhance security. Similarly, supply chain companies use private blockchains to track the movement of goods, ensuring transparency and efficiency while protecting sensitive information. Consortium blockchain. Imagine a library jointly owned by several universities. Only students and faculty from those universities can use it. Collaborative control. Consortium blockchains are managed by a group of organizations. This model combines the best of both public and private blockchains. Semi-open. They are not open to everyone but are more open than private blockchains. Shared responsibility. Multiple entities share the responsibility and control, which can prevent any single point of failure. Example in daily life. Think of it like a joint venture between several companies. They pool resources and share control to achieve a common goal. Consortium blockchains are often used in industries where multiple organizations need to collaborate, such as banking and supply chain management. Hyperledger Fabric is a popular framework for building consortium blockchains, providing flexibility and modularity to suit different use cases. In the banking sector, consortium blockchains facilitate secure and efficient transactions between different financial institutions. They enable real-time settlement of trades, reducing the risk and cost associated with traditional methods. Similarly, in supply chain management, consortium blockchains provide end-to-end visibility, ensuring that all parties have access to the same information and can track the movement of goods in real time. Hybrid blockchain. Finally, imagine a library that is partly open to the public and partly restricted to members only. Combination. Hybrid blockchains combine elements of both public and private blockchains. Some data is public while other data is restricted. Flexibility. This allows for greater flexibility in terms of who can access and participate in the network. Customization. Organizations can customize their blockchain according to their needs, choosing which data to make public and which to keep private. Example in daily life. Think of it like a membership club that also hosts public events. Members get special access, but some activities are open to the general public. Hybrid blockchains offer the best of both worlds, allowing organizations to maintain privacy for sensitive data while benefiting from the transparency of a public blockchain. This model is particularly useful for industries where privacy and public verifiability are both important, such as healthcare and real estate. In healthcare, hybrid blockchains can be used to store patient records securely while allowing authorized medical professionals to access and update the data. This ensures privacy and accuracy while enabling efficient collaboration across different healthcare providers. In real estate, hybrid blockchains can streamline property transactions, making the process more transparent and reducing fraud. Conclusion, and there you have it. The world of blockchain is as diverse as it is fascinating. Whether it's a public blockchain like Bitcoin, a private one for your company, a consortium for joint ventures, or a hybrid model, each type serves a unique purpose and offers distinct advantages. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right blockchain for your needs. Public blockchains offer openness and transparency, making them ideal for applications that require trust and security. Private blockchains provide control and efficiency, making them suitable for organizations with specific privacy and performance requirements. Consortium blockchains enable collaboration and shared responsibility, making them perfect for industries that require interorganizational cooperation. Hybrid blockchains offer a flexible approach, allowing organizations to balance privacy and transparency according to their needs. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the intricacies of blockchain technology. We'll explore real-world applications and case studies to give you a comprehensive understanding of how blockchain is transforming various industries. Until next time, happy learning!